Alright, welcome back everybody to another video tutorial of series Code Exchange. And in this tutorial we are going to create a Django based project using PyCharm. So let's get started. I'm gonna go create a new project, click Django, give your path for your folder, and make sure you name your project folder whatever name you want to create. I'm going to create a new virtual environment for this project, and I also gave it a location and my base Python interpreter, which is 3.7. and inside this more settings, I want to make sure that I'm selecting Django, and just to change these folder names I'm going to go with the views. About the template languages, the reason I'm using Django because it is fairly similar to most programming language template engines like ASP.NET and PHP. So I'm gonna go with Django. It's easy to understand and it's easy. I have played with Jinja too, but not much. I've been using Django's default template language, and so I'm gonna go with that. Our application name is Code Exchange, and I do not want Django admin enabled, so I'm gonna go ahead and create a project, and PyCharm will do its magical job for us. It's going to install all the dependencies and required packages for us inside the virtual environment. So here we go, and we are not importing this one. Two processes are running, so I'm just going to wait for it and let it finish. Alrighty, looks like it's done, and because we are not enabling admin for Django admin for our project, so I'm just gonna hide this one and comment this one out. I want to do a couple other changes for my project's configuration. So first of all, I'm gonna do 0.0.0.0, and I'm going to change the port to 8822. I don't know why I just picked up any random port. You want to pick up any random port more up after 8000. You cannot select anything less than 8000 because I believe those are system reserved ports or something. Your operating system will do it for you depending on your project, your application. Like MySQL uses 3306, HTTP uses port 80, HTTPS uses port 443. So I'm just choosing the randomly 8822, and everything else looks good. The other reason I'm putting 0.0.0.0 here is because I want to access the website, the project. Oops, what did I do? I'm gonna redo it. I want to access the project from the IP address of my machine, so anybody on the network can access it. So it's gonna be easy for me to debug and see and check how it looks like on my actual mobile devices. What did I do here? I don't know. Oh, I just clicked on this one. Okay. Alright, so back to our port 8822. Looks everything good. Alright, let's do OK and start a web app. Looks like everything's running good, so I'm just gonna copy this bad boy, and I'm gonna go to here. Okay, localhost, if I can type it correctly, 8822, and there we go. This is our new Django project up and running. So if everything goes smoothly, you will see this default Django's homepage, and you will know everything's good. It says debug's true right now because we are in a development mode. We want to keep debug true so we can get this kind of error messages. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. Well, we have not defined any URL right now. That's why. Yep, we have not defined any URLs right now, so that's why it's just displaying the Django's default homepage. But we'll come back to that stuff in future videos. But right now, this is all for deploying our base Django project. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.